In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate an image using Chatgpt for beginners. We'll walk through this process step by step so you can easily follow along. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is open your Chatgpt application or website. If you haven't done this before, don't worry. It's quite straightforward. Once you have it open, you'll be greeted with the login screen. Now, if you already have an account, go ahead and log in with your existing credentials. However, if you're new to this platform, you'll need to create a new account. The process is simple and only takes a few moments. Just follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be set up in no time. After you're logged in, the next step is to create a new chat. This is where the magic is going to happen. Look for the option that says New Chat. It should be easy to spot. Give it a click and you'll find yourself on a blank chat page, ready to start the process of generating an image. On this page, you'll notice there's a little paperclip icon next to the chat bar. This icon is your gateway to uploading images. Click on it, and a menu will appear offering you a few options. Out of these options, select Upload Image. Now, you'll need to decide which image you'd like to work with. Choose an image that's saved on your device. It could be a recent photo you took or something from your collection. Once you've selected the image, you'll see it uploaded to the chat interface. With the image ready to go, it's time to interact with ChatGPT. You'll do this by typing your question or instruction related to the image into the chat bar. Be clear and concise with what you're asking. Whether you're inquiring about details within the image or looking for creative input, make sure your request is straightforward. Once you hit send, ChatGPT will process your question and produce a response. This might take a moment, so be patient. Before you know it, you'll have a generated image or an insightful answer ready for you. Finally, if you're satisfied with the result, you might want to share it. You can easily do this by copying the text or image response and pasting it into your preferred communication channel. This could be a message to a friend, a social media post, or even an email, whatever works best for you. And there you have it, a complete guide to generating images with ChatGPT as a beginner. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're now more confident in using ChatGPT for your creative projects. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you'd like to see more helpful videos like this one.